to the Miss Caroline is almost rolling over. Put her on her side and she goes over. And then we have Miss Meredith. Hi Meredith, on tummy time. You gonna go over for us? I don't know. He hears himself in his little bumbo chair. Hi! Hi, loves! There's the gang. Hey, Meredith. Hi. There she goes. There she goes. Almost. There she goes. There she goes. All right.